Hello students, today we will do continuation of the chapter indices and cube root. In my previous video I had explained you all about laws of indices. Laws of indices. In this we had taken a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So m and m plus n are integers. They are indexed. So the index are in the form of integers. So they are called integral indices. Today we are going to do meaning of numbers with rational indices. Meaning of the numbers when the index is a rational number of the form 1 upon n. Suppose if we take square of a, square of a is written as a square. Square root of a is written as, root sign we will put and a. This sign is known as radical sign. Okay, we call this as radical sign. So this is, we will put the square root sign and this a. So we will put that. If we write this in the form of 1 upon n, how we are going to write? We will write a and this 2 is there, a square. So this is square, this means square. So we will write 1 upon 2. Now if you want to write, instead of a square, if we take 5 square, okay, if we take 5 square. So how we are going to write? 5 multiplied by 5. So that is equal to 25. So how we will write square root? We will write square root 25. Now square root of 8. Square root of 8. We will write it as square root 8. We will put this sign and we will write 8. Or we will write in the form of 1 upon n. In the form of 1 upon n, how we are going to write? We will write as 8 1 upon 2. This is considered as square. Square means 2. So 1 upon 2. The same way if we write cube root. Cube root of 8. We write this radical sign 8 and we will, cube means 3. We will put 3 here. And we will write 8 1 upon 3. Now if you want to write fourth root, so we will write fourth root of 8. We will write this radical sign 8. Fourth root means 4. Fourth root of 8. So we will write 8 1 upon 4. Now fifth root. If we will write fifth root of 8, we will write this radical sign 8 and 5. So we will write 8 1 upon 5. So this 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5 is known as rational indices. Okay, these are known as rational indices. They are written in the form of 1 upon a, 1 upon n. So these all are known as rational indices. So let's begin with the chapter. Practice set 3.1. Express the following number in index form. Now this is 13. So we will write, this is fifth root of 13. So first we will write 13. This 13 we will write. We will write this as 1. 1 is what? Numerator. and in denominator it will come fifth, 5. Sixth root of 9. So we will write this 9 and we will write in the numerator 1 and sixth means 6. Square root of 256. We will write 256. 1 by square means 2. So 1 by 2. Cube root of 17. We will write 17. 1 upon cube means 3. Cube means 3. So we will write 1 by 3. Eighth root of 100. So we will write 100. Eighth root means 1 upon 1 by 8. Seventh root of 30. So we will write 30. Seventh means 1 upon 7th means 1 upon 7. Okay. Now write in the form nth root of a in each of the following numbers. Now how you are going to do this? Nth root means nth root of a is expressed as a 1 upon n. Okay, first we wrote this way, this statement in this form. Now this thing we are going to write it in this form. This thing we are going to write in this form. Okay, so now it is 81 and 1 by 4. So we will write fourth. This is root. Fourth root of 81. Now for 49 1 upon 2. So we will write 2 means square. So square, we won't write 2, we will write square. For 2 we have to write square. Square root of 49. 15 1 by 5. So we are going to write fifth. 5 means fifth. Fifth root of 15. Now 512 1 upon 9. So we are going to write, for 9 we will write ninth. Ninth root of 512. Now 100 1 by 19. So we will write 19th. 19th root of 100. Now this is 6. So 1 by 7. So this is 7. So 7th. 7th root of 6. So children, first we wrote this, the statement was given, we wrote it like this. We wrote it like this. Now this is given and we wrote in the statement form. Okay. So students, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.